and our toe tap and dance. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3. Now side. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. One more. And we clap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and front, side, side, and bounce. 2. Now reverse the whole thing. Tap. 3. Together. 3. 2 more front. 2. And then last one, we're going to take 3 to the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. Then we clap. 1 on each side, left and right and side, side, and we bounce. 4, 3, 2, 1.